Hey guys, Richard here from StarLine Security, and what we got today here is a Toyota RAV4 hybrid. And obviously the customer just bought the car and he's concerned about, you know, the current rising car theft with keyless entry. So he wants the best system you can get, and what we put on here is the StarLine S96 smart security system. So the way this system works is you have a tag, and with this tag it allows you to drive the car and obviously to disarm the system. So the way thieves usually steal your car is using your key frequency, because your keyless key is always giving out a frequency that they can copy. So I'm going to simulate the way the thief would steal your vehicle. So let's say they got your frequency, they unlock your car. As you can see, the car now unlocked, and once they unlock, they open the door, the alarm will go off, and obviously your blinkers are going to go off, and they won't be able to also start the vehicle. So if I get in the car, if I try and start the car, nothing happens. And also the other thing is that because the alarm system's linked to your phone, it will actually call you to let you know that someone's broken into the vehicle. And as you can see, it says door open, someone has broken into the vehicle. And obviously you got the full app showing as well, the door has been opened. So the way you disarm the system is with the tag. So when you press the tag, it disarms the system. Obviously you do this before you get into the vehicle to prevent the alarm going off. So if you without this tag, you cannot drive the vehicle or the alarm will go off. And now as you can see, if you try and start it, the vehicle starts. Obviously it's hybrid, yeah. So yes, so that's the way the alarm system works. Now I'm going to show you the app. With the app you get full tracking. As you can see, you can track your vehicle, show you where it is. It shows you the status of your vehicle, showing it's running. As you can see, the smoke coming out. And yeah, you've got multiple stuff you can do with this system. So it's got full customization on your sensors and stuff. If we go here, as you can see, that's your sensors. You can adjust your sensors as much as you like. So you got motion, tilt, shock sensor, obviously alarm sensors, and all that you can change and adjust. So yeah, it's a full smart security alarm system. If you want something like this installed in your vehicle, guys, give us a shout on 0208 554 554, or even come visit us at Ilford, Gansill, IG2 6QA 2A Cantley Gardens. Thank you.